As someone who enjoys gardening and has several pots of young flowers gracing my deck, finding a reliable way to maintain them, especially during vacations, has been a priority. My quest for a solution led me to the RainPoint Smart Solar Irrigation System, an intriguing gadget that promises not just to automate the watering process, but also to handle nourishment by allowing for fertilizer integration directly into the watering system. The arrival of this system felt like a significant milestone, marking the start of what I hoped would be a more streamlined and efficient gardening regimen. Unboxing the RainPoint system was the first tangible step towards realizing this new automated gardening routine. The prospect of not having to manually water my plants daily, coupled with the ability to ensure they receive consistent care even in my absence, was incredibly appealing. This system seemed tailor-made for a plant lover like myself who enjoys traveling but also worries about the well-being of my plants while I'm away. The components were neatly packed and promised a mix of technical sophistication and user-friendly interfaces designed to make life easier for gardeners of all skill levels. The potential for integrating fertilizer into the watering schedule with the RainPoint system added another level of convenience and functionality. This feature allows me to nourish my plants simultaneously as they're watered, reducing the chores associated with gardening and freeing up more time to enjoy the beauty and tranquility of my floral arrangements. With this system, I envisioned a garden that not only sustains itself, but also thrives, whether I'm home to tend to it or away on another adventure, ensuring my plants receive optimal care around the clock. While unboxing the unit, I found a USB charger cable essential for the initial power-up, 10 meters of 1/4 inch tubing, the lifeline for delivering water directly to where it's most needed. Also, the box includes 10 micro drip emitters, perfect for targeting water delivery to the root zones of my flowers. You also get 3 straight barb fittings and 10 T-barb fittings for custom routes in my watering setup. 3 cross barb fittings, ideal for branching out the water lines, and a check valve to prevent any backflow of water. You also get a filter to ensure the water is clean and free from debris. And last but not least, in the box, there are 3 tubing end caps to securely close off any unused tubing ends. The RainPoint Smart Solar Irrigation System is particularly useful for automating the watering process, ensuring consistent moisture for optimal plant growth. By automating the irrigation, the system saves up to 70% of water compared to traditional watering methods. It can support up to 10 potted plants, making it versatile for small to medium-sized garden setups. Embarking on the installation of the RainPoint Smart Solar Irrigation System was an adventure in gardening efficiency. Guided by well-detailed instructions and a user-friendly design, here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process, which proved to be surprisingly simple even for those less technically inclined. The heart of the system, the mini box hub, required a straightforward initial setup. It began with plugging in the hub using the provided USB cable, which was quick and easy. Once powered up, the next step was integrating the hub with my home network. This involved connecting it to Wi-Fi via the RainPoint app. The app itself was intuitive, offering guided setup instructions that made the process smooth and hassle-free. The connection not only enabled remote monitoring, but also allowed for the adjustment and control of the watering schedules from anywhere, directly from my smartphone. The next phase involved setting up the water delivery system. I attached the filter, essential for keeping the system free from clogs due to debris, to one end of the tubing. This end was then placed into the 5-gallon reservoir, which served duration and repeat frequency. After setting the schedules, I conducted a series of tests to observe the flow rates and ensure that there were no leaks or other issues in the system. This testing phase is crucial to troubleshoot early and make any necessary adjustments before relying on the system for regular watering. Completing the installation of the RainPoint Smart Solar Irrigation System was a rewarding experience. It transformed my daily gardening routine by automating the crucial yet time-consuming task of watering. Now my plants are thriving, receiving consistent and tailored care, which is especially reassuring when I'm away on vacation. This system not only simplifies plant maintenance, but also supports sustainable gardening practices through its solar-powered design. It's a perfect example of how modern technology can be harnessed to enhance traditional activities like gardening, making them more efficient and environmentally friendly. Equipped with a solar panel, the RainPoint system converts solar energy into electricity, powering the entire irrigation setup. The app also allows users to set up and view irrigation schedules, offering both remote and manual control options. This system is ideal for gardeners who might be away from home frequently, as it ensures plants are cared for without constant supervision. To be honest, I find myself using this system in manual mode quite often. Instead of watering the plants the traditional way, I just make sure the 5-gallon reservoir is topped off and water via the app. Since the drip emitters are embedded in the soil, there's no splashing of soil when watering, and the plants are delivered water directly to the roots where it is needed. The RainPoint Smart Solar Irrigation System is more than just a gardening tool. It's a game changer for anyone with a green thumb and a busy lifestyle. It has seamlessly integrated into my daily life, offering a peace of mind, especially when planning vacations, knowing my floral beauties are cared for in my absence. The joy of seeing my flowers thrive, combined with the reduced effort on my part, confirms that this system was a wise investment. For anyone looking to simplify their gardening chores while ensuring their plants receive optimal care, the RainPoint offers a smart, sustainable solution that lives up to its promises.